Welcome back to Add Art. In today's lesson, I'm going to be drawing something that my daughter asked for. So she asked if I could draw a penguin, and I'm not going to just draw one penguin. We're going to draw 4 penguins, so a mummy penguin with 3 little ones. So let's make a start, shall we? Let's start up here with the mummy penguin's head. Curves around here. Got them walking, so let's bring that down. Curves round to their tail. So have this kind of pointed beak. It's good for catching the fish when they're swimming. And I was reading that they spend half of their time on land and the rest of the time swimming. There we go. And the black and white colour apparently helps camouflage them when they're swimming, so they can go and fish for their dinner without being seen by other creatures who might fancy a nibble on them. Bring their wing down here and like that. And up. Put an eye in. The eyes looking back at the children. Maybe a smile. And you have these markings that kind of come up and around the head. And down towards their wing. Let's finish off that tail there. And these claws at the bottom, they're almost like mountaineers' boots. They really help them to grip onto the ice and the snowy surfaces where they live. They tend to live mostly in like southern hemisphere, so down at the bottom of the globe. You won't really find any in the North Pole. So let's draw some icy mountains in the background here. And let's move on to one of the little ones looking up. Now the little ones tend to be a different colour. They're not black and white, they're grey. They tend to have smaller beaks. And they're quite funny when you watch them. They kind of waddle along. Quite human in the way they shuffle. Let's bring the tail down. Little fluffy wing. Big eye. Looking up. Similar like markings on their head. The little feet in as well. Again, gripping onto this icy surface. We can put these lines in. When I'm drawing ice, I often draw these kind of smooth lines. It's good for glass as well. It just gives an idea of something being really smooth and shiny. We'll do another little one as well, so maybe he's looking down. Worried he might be about to step onto his brother or sister's tail. We can have a foot sticking out, just as though walking. So now I'm looking down. when it gets really cold where they live, they all huddle together like a big group hug. And it keeps them warm, and the temperatures where they live can get really, really, really cold, and it's a way of them keeping warm. It's the icy mountains. We'll just do the last one. Should we make this one little, as though he's trying to catch up? Feet, wing, that's a little head. So continue some of these snow-capped mountains in the background here with the craggy, icy surfaces. And as you might know, penguins are birds, but they're flightless birds. And they have got wings, but they've developed them for swimming rather than for flying. So they're flightless, they don't fly, but they're amazing swimmers, and apparently they can stay underwater, some of them, for 20 minutes, which is amazing. That looks finished to me. I hope you're happy with your mummy penguin and 3 little penguins there. Do remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new videos that I might be posting. And if you've enjoyed this, remember to hit the like button. That would be really appreciated. I can see if people are enjoying drawing along. And I'll see you next time on Add Art. Bye for now.